Hello, welcome to Mental Matrix with EJD. In this video, I'll be talking about the sum of two cubes. All right, when you have two cubes like this, what exactly can you do with it? Sometimes it's very useful to factorize in a particular way, and this is how the factorization goes. If you have a cube plus b cube, the factorization is such that you have a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. So if you expand this, you discover that it ends up giving you a cube plus b cubes because a times a squared is a cube. We have that. And you have a times minus a, that's minus a squared b. And of course, if you multiply b times a, you have, I mean, if you do all that together, you're going to basically have a cube plus b cube back. So now, if you want to do the same thing with x cube plus 8, that's simply x cube plus 2 cube. And that is the same thing as x plus 2. X now is a and 2 is b. So x plus 2 into um into a squared. Now that will be x squared. AB now is x times 2, that's 2x, then plus 2 squared, that is 4. Okay, that simply goes like that. All right, so that ends up being x plus 2 into x squared minus 2x. Okay, maybe I should take that gently. Let me take that slowly. So x plus 2 into x squared minus x times 2, all right, plus 2 squared like that, and that is equal to x plus 2 into x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, that's what you have. Then if we go for the next one, which is y cube plus 1, of course, y cube plus 1 is y cube plus 1 cube. So if you follow the same thing, so that is y plus 1 into y squared minus y times 1 plus 1 squared. Okay, that means you have y plus 1 into y squared minus y plus 1. So that is how that goes. How do you do 27p cube? 27p cube plus 64q cube. Try that and let's see what you get with that. Okay. So subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you can always get alerted each time a new video is released. Bye.